You want to say hello to all the boys on the band? 220, Super Squid to 5. Stay quiet, I see you now. 5. Hey, Squid,
393, Honolulu. All it takes is one key. Bye, Squid. Squish, squish. 393, we out.
Honolulu on the regular. 220, see you later. 293, Big Bad Squid urges both. I'll see you. Bye.
Yeah, no pain straight on the end, man. Just one last key. One last key. Not my last key. One key time. 393, we out.
Super Squid 393, you can still got it all laid down. Big Bad Squid gone now. I'll see you. Bye.
14, I'm not going to be long-winded. Just 2-second keys there. Big Bad Squid, 393. Squish, squish. Clean up the mess in Honolulu. We'll see ya.
Waterbug, squid, bye. Sweet, man, you kept it short and sweet. 393, I'll see you. Bye.
410 there, Squid, man. You put a big old smile on my face from ear to ear, a big old grin on my chin. Super Squid, squish, squish. I'll let the channel roll because we got the video gate rolling. Oh, Super Squid, 393. Honolulu, we out. Bye.
393, the man, you got the gate rolling. That's okay, the man. I heard number 2 out there. Oh, dude! No good. Chapter 393, because he has got it right down. Big Bad Squid down south, dropping it down. Right back, come on.
Right there. We got the video gate rolling. Big Bad Squid, 393. We out.
Better before, man. Hey, 393, your condition was a lot better before there, man. But I guarantee you still got it held down. Okay, he's got enough already. Squid, dumping it down. Right there again. Come on. Waterbug, squid. Bye, squid, waterbug. 10, 12, and 9. And waterbug on. Alright, number 2, 220 and the rest of the game, man. Looks like conditions dying out, man. So I'm going to put this thing back on the rack and read the mail there when conditions get a bit bad. Go get him, number 2. Take on my way, 393. And bring him back to Honolulu.
Bye, Super Squid. Honolulu, Super Squid, 393. Honolulu, we out.
Waterbug, squid, waterbug. I'm out of breath, I'm gone. No good. You're smoking some Maui Wawi too, man. There's a kite you go out barefoot. See you later, Mike. Okay. Oh, fuck, look at your turn over here. Yeah. Do him. Right there. There you go. Just what you do. That's all. How about now? I'm not saying to you then. You're standing good, man. You're doing a job down here, man. Squiddy boy rocking his driver, standing by.
Bye, Squid, 393. Bye.
That's what I'm doing, 220. The 220, I'm going too. I see you. Record number 2 says, have a good day. Number 2, aloha. Take care, 220. Watch out for number 2.
Bye, 220, 393 in Honolulu. 220, 393, Honolulu, we out.
20's like a snake, I see you, bye. They're all scratching their itchy spots there. At 220, they're all scratching their itchy spots, bye. Nothing else, man. Didn't come out there much, didn't come out there to do any bragging, mate. I come out there and sound real smooth. And come out there and say hello to these boys out there, the mini grows, Big Bad Squid dogs. So, rubbing his little white guy right there.
Bye, Squid, 393, say bye. Yeah.
220, that number 2 says howdy doody. No, 220, number 2 says howdy doody. Aloha. Alright, this time we're going to put it back on the rack and kick back and talking Duck Luck and Driver 220 and the rest of the Good Time Gang. I'm going to take a commercial. Bye.